Hi guys, now I'm gonna guide you guys how to practice speaking topic number 4. Talk about your best friend. Okay, firstly I'm gonna guide you how to pronounce the new words and new phrases on the left. Cô giáo sẽ hướng dẫn các bạn các từ mới ở phía bên tay phải trước nha. On the right. In the north of Vietnam. In the north of Vietnam. Introduce, introduce, introduce. My best friend, my best friend. Long wavy hair, long wavy hair. Round face, round face, round face. Tell many jokes, tell many jokes, tell many jokes, jokes, jokes. Make me laugh, make me laugh. Dancer in the future, dancer in the future. In the same class, in the same class. Forever, forever, forever. Now listen and repeat after me. In the north of Vietnam. Introduce. My best friend. Long wavy hair. A round face. Tell many jokes. Tell many jokes. Make me laugh. Dancer in the future. Dancer in the future. In the same class. In the same class. Forever, forever. Now, listen to the speaking sample. Hello everyone. My name is. I come from Việt Trì City. It is in the north of Vietnam. Let me introduce you to my best friend. Let me introduce you to my best friend. My best friend's name is Sophie. She has long wavy hair and blue eyes. She has a round face. Sophie is very funny. She tells many jokes and makes me laugh. She tells many jokes and makes me laugh. She also likes to dance to music. She also likes to dance with music, to music. She wants to be a dancer in the future. She wants to be a dancer in the future. Sophie and I are in the same class. Every morning we go to school together. I hope we are best friends forever. I hope we are best friends forever. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye guys. Các bạn nhớ luyện tập phát âm nhiều lần trước khi ghi âm trả bài cho cô giáo nhé. Bye bye guys.